Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about Amazon S3 Object Lifecycle Management. Every user has to pay a monthly monitoring and automation fee for storing objects in the S3 buckets. The rate charged for that depends on the object size, storage class and duration of storage. Proper object lifecycle management and configuration is very necessary if you want to get a cost-effective deal with lifecycle configuration rules. User can tell Amazon S3 to place data in less expensive storage class or archive or delete them permanently. Let us find out when one should use a lifecycle configuration. If a user uploads periodic logs to a bucket, the application might require that data for a week or a month. After that, a user might want to delete them. Some data is accessed frequently for some specific period of time. After that, they are rarely needed. At that point, the user would like to archive it for some particular time and then delete it permanently. Amazon S3 provides a set of API operations to manage lifecycle configuration on a bucket. Check out the operations: put bucket lifecycle, get bucket lifecycle, delete bucket lifecycle. What is object versioning? Object versioning is one of the most salient features of Amazon S3 and is used to keep multiple versions of data at the same time in the bucket. It is used to avoid accidental or unplanned overwrite and deletion of data. Object versioning is not a defaulted feature, but the user has to enable it. Once it is enabled, a user cannot delete any object directly. All versions of the data reside in the bucket, and a delete marker is introduced in the bucket, which becomes the current version. Now, to delete the object, the user needs to remove that delete marker also. Note that existing objects in your bucket are not affected by this operation. Only feature requests behavior will change.